The items in the box include the dynamic shower holder, the safety adapter which locks the shower head to the holder, and this is the clamp knob, and the plunger which clamps the holder to the grab rail, and finally there's a hex key for locking the shower head in a downward facing direction. To begin, you'll need to remove the clamp knob. Now remove the plunger by pressing the child lock pin with the supplied hex key. So that's the child lock pin. Now you can attach it to your grab rail. Now hook the dynamic shower holder around the grab rail. Then insert the plunger. You'll need to press the child lock pin in and push in the plunger until it locks in place. Pull on the plunger to check it's locked in place. The child lock pin ensures that if a child accidentally undoes the clamp knob, the holder won't fall off the grab rail. Now finally, just screw on the clamp knob. Which allows you to clamp it firmly in place. This is the safety adapter. It locks the shower head to the dynamic holder so it doesn't accidentally fall off as you're moving it around. It simply screws in between any standard shower head and hose. So to attach it, you simply unscrew your existing shower head and screw the adapter in between. Just make sure the sealing washer is located in the top of the adapter before screwing on the shower head to ensure a watertight seal. There are two flats on the adapter which allow you to use a spanner if you want to make it a bit tighter. Now connect it to the dynamic shower holder. If it isn't facing downwards, you can adjust it by rotating the shower head and locking it in position by lightly tightening the locking screw, which is located in the safety adapter. You can remove it from the holder by pressing the red release button for handheld conventional use. And there you have it. So it's extremely easy to set up and takes less than a couple of minutes. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you can finally enjoy luxurious sit-down showering every day with Aucuro's Dynamic Shower Holder.